Good morning all. Today we are going to continue our topic polygons with diagonals. Now diagonals. What is diagonals? A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. I hope you all know that what is vertices. In the previous lecture I explained what is vertices. Here these are the points which are joined by line segment. See, these points are called vertices. So when we are joining opposite vertices like that, if we are joining opposite vertices, so the line segment which we are getting is called as diagonals. See, opposite, then second opposite, third, fourth, fifth. Similarly here, so this line, breaking line, is called as diagonals. Now concave and convex polygon. So what is concave and convex polygon? So first, convex polygon. All of its interior angles must be less than 180 degree. If we are having a diagram whose all the angles is less than 180 degree, that type of a polygon is called as convex polygon. Or you can say that in another way, if you are finding that all the diagonals of a polygon are inside the polygon, so that type of polygon is called convex polygon. There is a two way to identify if angle is less than 180 degree or diagonals are inside. Diagonals are inside. See how this, then this, like that. Okay, if you are finding diagram like that, so that type of diagram is called convex polygon. Now concave polygon. If diagonals of polygon is lie outside the polygon or on its exterior, or if angle more than 180 degree, that type of polygon is called as concave polygon. See how the diagonals say. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, next topic, regular and irregular polygons. So what is regular polygon? If all the angles of a diagram or all the sides of a diagrams are equal, then that type of a figure is known as regular polygon. You know that a square having all sides equal and all angles are equal to 90 degree. Here all angles are same, all sides are same. That's why it is a regular polygon. Same in case of equilateral triangle, you see all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. That's what is a regular polygon. There are some more examples of regular polygons such as regular hexagon, regular septagon, regular hexagon. That if you are adding regular before their names, then their angles and their side will be equal. Now angles and property of quadrilateral. Here we have to find the angles and property of quadrilateral. So here I have one quadrilateral for you and we have to find the angles and property of quadrilateral. So for that we just split the diagram into two parts. Then you are getting two triangles, 1 and 2. Find by angles and property of triangle, find the angles and property of this triangle, then this triangle. Keep here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can give name it again. A, if you would like to give B, C, D. In triangle ABC, by angle sum property of triangle. So what is angle sum property of triangle? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Here 1, 2, 6, sorry 6 not 4. Equation 1. Then same in case of angle triangle BCD by angle sum property of triangle. Then what will you get? Angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Equation 2. Now add equation 1 plus equation 2. Then you will get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 360 degree. Then here angle 1 is equal to what? Angle A. Then angle 2 and 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. These two are making angle B. Angle 4, angle C. Angle 6 and angle 5 together they are making angle here it is D, and it is B. 360 degree, because 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degree. I hope you all understood. See here what I have done. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Then angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Add this to equation. You will get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 plus 180, 360 degree. Angle 1, it is for angle A, so write angle A. Angle 2 and angle 3 they are making angle D, write angle D. Angle 6 and angle 5 making angle B, write angle B. Angle 4 angle C is equal to 360 degree. Thank you.